I passed another two-step challenge fully automatically using expert advisors. This time I used the ultimate method to select the EAs for the challenges. It works extremely well. I already have profits in the funded account. This method is called out of sample. If you look at the results on our website, you will see the challenges right in here. So I used the EIs from the Prop Firm Robots app, and that was a two-step funded next challenge. And you will see that the target with the first phase was reached with 18 trades and the second phase with 35 trades. Now, if I show you the track record of the first phase, you will see that there was a drawdown that recovered and it went on the profitable side and the target was reached. There was also a drawdown with the second phase, but it didn't breach and I reached the target. And if I show you the funded accounts, you will see that I have it right in here. It's been just 2 days since I started it and I already have nearly 1% profit. And now let me show you what is the out of sample, because it is very important no matter what type of expert advisor you are trading. So with the Prop Firm Robots app, we have ready to use strategies that we automatically generate. And you can see the backtest for the last 1 month, for the last 1 year, or for the entire history that is available. And by default, the out of sample is switched off. And it's not only the backtest we see on the chart, we see how the expert advisor performed in a real trading environment, and this is exactly the out of sample. Now, if I switch on the out of sample, you will see these green fields in every strategy. And if I just zoom, you will see that the first strategy is very profitable in the out of sample. Same with the second, same with the third. So this strategy for the gold was generated using the in sample period, or this is the white box. And actually this is for the last 1 year. If I switch to all, you will see that the in sample is longer, starting somewhere at July 2022. So we use this historical data to generate the strategy, and then we simulate live trading in the out of sample period. If I switch to 1 year one more time, you will see that the balance increased significantly after the strategy was generated, and during this time we simulate live environment. It is the very same performance if we had this strategy on a live account, on a challenge, or on a funded account. And for the two-phase challenge I passed, I was always trading the top 3 expert advisors, sorted not by the profit but by the out of sample profit. In other words, I want to trade the strategies that have the most profit in the out of sample period. Now, at the time of recording this video, I have 3 gold expert advisors on the top. And if I bring on my recording screen the funded account that I already have, this one over here, you will see that I have 1 expert advisor for the dollar yen, 1 for the gold, and a second one for the gold. And today is Saturday, so these 3 expert advisors I was trading in the last 1 week. Today the app automatically updates with new expert advisors. If the old are profitable, they will remain, but if we find better expert advisors, they will replace some of the existing ones. So on Monday, I changed the expert advisors in this account. And what I would do is I would compare what I have in the accounts. So definitely I will remove the dollar yen expert advisor. This gold expert advisor ending on 7877 is still on the top in the app, so I will keep it in my funded account. And the one ending on 776 is the third on the app. So pretty much I will replace the dollar yen expert advisor with the gold expert advisor ending on 6339. And in the following 1 week, I will have these 3 expert advisors trading in my funded account and obviously in a new account. And before I show you the new account, let me show you all of the trades that closed in the funded account. Also, here is the second phase with all of the trades that executed. You will see that there are some loss losses, there are profits, but these EAs are not grid martingale EAs, so that is very normal. And this is the first phase. You will see again plenty of trades. Primarily the gold was the top performer based on the out of sample profit, so most of the trades are with the gold, and in the next week I'll be trading the gold expert advisors because they are the most profitable in the out of sample period. And if you want to test the prop firm EAs, there is a 50% discount coupon if you decide to purchase the app. Also, there is 30-day money back guarantee, so there is nothing to risk. And the out of sample is very important no matter what expert advisor you are trading, even from the marketplace or from a vendor. The moment you purchase it, you will see the back test, but after you start trading it on a demo account, this is your out of sample period. This is the unknown market conditions. We don't know what will happen going forward. That is why it is best to test the expert advisor on a virtual environment for some time. And in this case, I'm trading the top 3 expert advisors that are most profitable in the unknown historical data. And because this method works really well in the current market conditions, I'll be putting these EAs on trading.com accounts where I have a target of 20%. I'll start with $1,000 account as usual, and my drawdown is 10%, which is the same as a regular prop firm, but the target is 20%. So once I download the expert for the appropriate account size, what I'll do is I'll change the daily protections to 950 because we don't have a daily drawdown. We have a max drawdown of 10%. Minimum equity would be $9,050, and the max equity drawdown in percentage, I don't need to set that up because with trading.com it is static. You start a 10K account and even you reach to 11 or even 12, your drawdown remains at 9K. It's not trailing like with the prop firms. So here I'll only add max equity and currency, and it will be 12,010 for example, and this will be enough. And actually, because the drawdown is not trailing, I can remove the max daily loss. Like I'll set it to 0 and the only account protection will be the minimum equity. So if I reach the 20% target, I would go to stage 2. I'll double the account and I'll be able to withdraw 80% out of the profit, or 80% out of $2,000 is $1,600, and that's the profit I can withdraw. In the first stage, 8% on the second stage, 70% in the third stage, 60% in the fourth, and 50% net profit split on the fifth stage. And because I never had issues withdrawing profits from trading.com, I'll start another 2 accounts. And in the first one, I'll put the FX Stabilizer Pro. That is a new expert advisor we are testing, and it already made 15% in our demo account. And look at that, just for 23 days with 140 trades. I'll click on the track record. You will see a very steady performance. If I switch to the equity, you will see that at one point there was a drawdown bigger than 10%. So if that happens right after I start the account, I'll probably lose it. But because the drawdown of trading.com is static, if it happens later, then it's not gonna be a problem. But still, I will use lower risk in the trading.com account compared to what I have in this demo account. And the third account I'll be starting as part of my 100K project will be with the Crypto Investor EA that already made 4.64% in 38 days, 83 trades so far. And if I show you the track record, you will see that this Bitcoin trading robot is performing really well. If I switch to the equity, you will notice that there are no huge drawdowns. And every month I'll do my best to start 3 or 5 new trading.com accounts, because if you have missed this video, I requested a 5-figure withdrawal from that platform. As always, guys, I thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget I love you, and I'll see you in the next. Bye.